Today, I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk biscuits with strawberries and cream. This is a wonderful treat during strawberry season, or nowadays strawberry season is year-round. If you've never made buttermilk biscuits before, don't let their fussy reputation fool you. This crispy, fluffy, flaky Southern tradition couldn't be any easier. You don't even need a rolling pin. In fact, you don't even need to knead. The dough is simply patted out and folded over 3 times, making the process as easy as 1, 2, 3. Folding also gives these biscuits beautiful pull-apart layers, perfect for sandwiching with berries and cream. This recipe comes to us from the beautiful book titled Bravetart by Stellaparks. Today we're baking our biscuits in a cast iron skillet. This ensures that the biscuits bake up wonderfully crisp on the bottom. It's also okay if you don't have cast iron. Just use a cake pan rather than a baking sheet to keep your biscuits snug together while baking. Oh, and just one more thing. Do me a great big favor and click that thumbs up like button to help keep this channel growing. And so now then, are you ready? Well, let's get started. So now here the thing is that what we want to do is sift flour into a medium bowl. Sift, 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 sift. Next we're going to whisk in the baking powder, sugar, and salt. Baking powder, sugar, salt. One stick or 4 ounces of cold unsalted butter cut into 1/2-inch cubes. Toss to break up the pieces. 1/2-inch cubes, all nicely coated with flour. Now we pinch and press the butter, squeeze it down into little thin sheets like that. Keep tossing it with the flour mixture. Continue smashing and rubbing until butter has mostly disappeared into a floury mix. Smashing and rubbing. Smashing and rubbing. So what we have next here is 3/4 cup or 6 3/4 ounces of cultured low-fat buttermilk straight from the fridge. So let's just pour in the buttermilk just like that. Stir in the buttermilk with a flexible spatula, stopping as soon as the dough comes together in a sticky ball. That's looking pretty good. Turn out onto a lightly floured surface and sprinkle more flour on top and gently pat it into a 6-inch square. No need to be overly precise. That looks like about a 6-inch square to me. Does it look like a 6-inch square to you? Good, good, good. Fold in half. Repeat twice for a total of 3 folds. So we're going to press it down, 6-inch square, fold in half, press it down, 6-inch square, fold in half, and this time we're going to pat the dough out 3/4 inch thick and cut as many 2.5-inch rounds as you can. Here come those beautiful biscuits. Beautiful biscuits on the way. Arrange close together in an 8-inch cast iron skillet. Gather the scraps into a ball and fold once, then cut another few biscuits. Stella says about 35 minutes, so we're gonna go 30, and then we'll see where we're at. Biscuits on the way. Time to get these babies out of the oven. Yes. Ah. There we have it. Those are beautiful biscuits. Look at these beautiful biscuits. Need to let them cool for a little while. We're going to get the sugar into the strawberries and just a pinch of salt. And then we're going to make up the whipped cream. Stay tuned. So now that we have our biscuits, it's time to set up the strawberries. We're just going to slice the strawberries to about 1/4 inch, add some sugar, let them rest while they make some juice. We'll make some cream, and then we'll put it all together. Aren't these beautiful? I love these. So what we like to do is just slice off the tops. And about two tablespoons of sugar. We'll give it a stir. You want to get them all coated real nice with the sugar. Then you leave them sit for 30 minutes to an hour and wait for the magic to happen. Some beautiful, beautiful strawberry sauce, strawberry juice will emerge. Okay, you ready to make some whipped cream? Let's whip some cream. For our biscuits with strawberries and cream, 1 cup of heavy cream. And I think for 1 cup of heavy cream, just about 1 tablespoon of superfine sugar. Sometimes also called quick dissolve sugar, or if you can find it, caster sugar. It's much finer than regular granulated sugar, and it will dissolve more quickly and smoothly so that our cream doesn't have a grainy texture to it. Are you ready? Now for decorating some desserts, recipes call for stiff peaks in their whipped cream. But for our beautiful biscuits and strawberries, I don't want stiff peaks. I want the cream to have a nice thick consistency, almost a spreadable consistency, I would say. So it'll hold its form, but it's not going to be really stiff. For a medium-handed mixer, for me this works the best. Let's do the finger test. There you go, you see? This will go onto our biscuits very nicely. Oh, it's so good. Here we go. Oh, look at this beautiful biscuit. Isn't that amazing? So you just want to be able to just spoon on a bit of cream. Just like that. I like a lot of cream, so why not? Going to add some beautiful strawberries. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. You see they're making their own juice. That's the magic of the strawberries. Go ahead and be as generous as you like. I like a lot of cream, a lot of strawberries. And there you have it. That's our buttermilk biscuits with strawberries and cream. I hope you try this one at home. This is really fun and this is delicious. Get it now while it's still strawberry season. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up like button. Subscribe to my channel because it helps YouTube to promote my videos, and that helps me to make more yummy videos for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.